Hello everyone, it's me Shanzy and you watching your favorite channel Shanzy Designer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. So how are you all? I hope all you guys fine, pretty and doing very well. Today is my video on dress designing ideas, Maxi's dress designing ideas, party wear dress designing ideas for girls. I chose designs are my favorite and I hope Canby collection is your favorite too. Super stunning and elegant ideas of dressing for your brother's wedding and your sister's marriage day. And if you want to update it latest trends and latest fashion dressing ideas, so subscribe my channel because my channel is the best source of stylish and attractive dress designing ideas. I uploaded many more ideas on my channel of dressing, fancy dresses, summer dresses, winter dresses, as well as stylish and elegant dresses designing ideas on my channel. You will find hundred of new ideas and hundred of new dress designs on my channel. So visit my channel for bestest ideas of dress designing. I must suggest you watch this video till the end. All dresses for party wear. Beautiful ideas will explore in this video for you. Every dress and color combination is very attractive and decent. So guys, enjoy this video till the end. And I hope you really like my all dress designing ideas. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with others, your relatives and your friends. And remember me in your prayers. Bye bye.